You don't need thousands of dollars to start reselling. You don't even need hundreds. You could really start with like a 20 ball. All you gotta do is a method that works. If you have a little bit of money, yes, you should buy some inventory. You should start reselling. But if you don't have that much money, then you're gonna have to find a different method so that you can start making some money. The method that I suggest is inside the link in the description down below. It's a full guide on how to do it, and it's some vendors so that you can actually get started with doing it. But yeah, if you're smart enough, then you can honestly find any type of way to make some money with reselling. Because inside reselling, information is valuable. Like the value that you get is what you know. What you know is gonna make you more money. And honestly, who you know is also gonna make you more money. But it's not like an actual like person that you might know face to face. It might be somebody that you're talking to, a community that you're in, a vendor that you have. Because all those things can help you either make money or be sold to make you some money. And knowing how to leverage all that stuff is really what's gonna set you apart and put you ahead, right? Because all you gotta do is just market yourself. Once you learn how to market yourself in reselling, anything can be sold. If you start posting content on social media, then literally you can have customers coming to you for whatever that you have. They might want it. So they start coming to you because they know that you have it and you can get it to them. And all this type of stuff is where you can be making your first money in reselling. Inside the guide that can literally help you make your first money without putting almost zero money down. Literally, the money would only be spent on the guide. After that, everything is free. And if you do got more money than that, I suggest buying some inventory and a mentorship, because literally that's probably going to make you the most money out of everything. Because when you get help like that, you're going to end up not wasting as much money as you could if you're trying to do everything by yourself. And it makes everything less complicated. Whenever you overcomplicate something, that's when you make it a problem. Once you're able to not overcomplicate it and you make it as easy as possible and as simple as possible, that's when you can actually start getting the ball rolling and you can move fast. If you want my exact method, then you should go to the link in the description down below. And also, if you're looking to learn how to resell and how to learn how to resell high ticket items and you need vendors, and you just need help and support, then go ahead and join my school community. It's in the link down below. And with that being said, peace out.